Colton, you want some food? You want baby food? Daddy.
Ask him what he wants to eat.
Okay. Colton, you want to eat baby food?
Do you think he wants a quesadilla?
No. He wants baby food.
Oh.
Not quesadilla.
What about a cheeseburger?
No. Baby food.
What about green bean baby food?
No.
What kind of baby food does he want?
Baby food. That's right.
What else does he want to eat?
Baby food, Daddy.
And what else?
Baby food.
What does he want to drink?
Juice.
Oh, he likes juice?
He likes juice. You like juice?
Okay. All right.
Daddy, what's my trick?